I have made this beautiful crochet doll. These are known as amigurumis, and today is the second part of the tutorial. In my first part I showed you how to make the legs, body and the neck portion. Today I will show you how to make the head, arms and the hair. So let's begin. In my next video I will show you how to make the dress, bag and the bow. I hope you will like this tutorial, and the written pattern is also available along with the video. Hi, I'm Shabori from HookedInLoops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have used the Naku mini yarn. This is the size of the yarn and the suitable hook size is 2 mm. However, I have used 1.7 mm crochet hook. We left at the neck portion in my last video. We will cut out the wire and continue with the head portion. This is the written direction. Take a screenshot. We will begin with row 55. We will hold the remaining portion of the wire and we will crochet along with it. Insert your hook in the first stitch of the last round and do a single crochet stitch. Mark that with a stitch marker to mark the beginning of row 55 in this manner. In the same stitch we will do one more single crochet stitch. So we did 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and this is called an increase. In the same manner we will be doing 2 single crochets in each and every stitch of the last round. So last round had 15 single crochet stitches, and since we are doing increase in this round, so we are going to have a total of 30 single crochet stitches. We will quickly complete this round. And now we will begin the row 56. Okay, so in the first stitch we will do 1 single crochet and mark that with a stitch marker, and then in the next stitch we will do an increase, that is 2 single crochet stitches in the next stitch. So 1 and 2, and repeat the pattern. That is, in the next stitch we will do 1 single crochet, and in the following stitch we will do an increase, and repeat it throughout the round. That is 1 single crochet followed by an increase, and this round will have total 45 single crochet stitches. As you can see, the written directions are on top of the screen, so it will not be difficult for you to follow. We will quickly complete this round and begin the row 57. This round is slightly different. In this round we will do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, mark that with a stitch marker. Then in the next 3 stitches also we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So we began this round with 1 single crochet in each of the first 4 stitches. Then in the next stitch we will do an increase, that is 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and we will repeat this pattern for 9 more times until there are total 54 single crochets and complete it. Now we will begin row 58. In row 58 we will be doing 1 single crochet in each of the stitches of the last round. So do 1 single crochet in each of the 54 stitches of the last round. So this round will also have total 54 single crochet stitches, and quickly complete it in this manner, and we will repeat the same thing till row 69. So row 58 to row 69 will have the same pattern, that is 54 single crochets in each round. So now after that we will begin the row 70. We did total 69 rows. Now we will begin the row 70 and follow the pattern as written on top of the screen. So we will begin with one single crochet in each of the first 7 stitches of this round. After your 7 single crochets are done, the next 2 stitches we will be doing a decrease. That is, insert your hook in the next stitch and draw the yarn, insert your hook in the following stitch and draw the yarn, yarn over and draw the yarn through all the 3 loops. And like this we will repeat the pattern, that is 7 single crochets followed by decrease for 5 more times. We completed the row 70, now we will begin the row 71. So in row 71 we will be doing one single crochet in each of the first 6 stitches. So we will quickly complete our first 6 single crochet stitches in this round. One single crochet in each of the first 6 stitches. And then in the next 2 stitches we will be doing a decrease. And repeat the pattern, that is 6 single crochets followed by decrease for 5 more times. We will now begin the row 72. We will be doing one single crochet in each of the first 5 stitches of this round. And then in the next 2 stitches we will be doing a decrease. And repeat the pattern for 5 more times, that is 5 single crochets followed by decrease. We will now begin the row 73. We will be doing one single crochet in each of the first 4 stitches. And then in the next 2 stitches we will be doing a decrease. And we will repeat the pattern, that is one single crochet in each of the following 4 stitches, and then in the next 2 stitches we will be doing decrease. Repeat the pattern for 5 more times. So always make sure to fill up your doll with fiber fills as you continue with the rounds. In my first video I think I forgot to mention that you need to fill up the body and the leg with fiber fill, however it's quite obvious. So after filling up some part of the head with fiber fill, we will continue with the row 74. We will begin this round with one single crochet in each of the first 3 stitches. And then in the next 2 stitches do a decrease and repeat the pattern for 5 more times, that is 3 single crochets followed by decrease, and quickly complete this round. We will now begin the row 75. Begin with 2 single crochets in this round, one in each of the first 2 stitches. 2 single crochets are done, and then in the next 2 stitches we will be doing a decrease. And we will repeat the pattern for 5 more times. That is, in the next 2 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those, followed by decrease, and repeat it. We will now begin the row 76 with 1 single crochet, and then in the next 2 stitches we will be doing a decrease. And we will repeat this pattern, that is 1 single crochet followed by decrease, throughout the round. Make sure to fill up your head with a good quantity of fiber fill, because your head should not be empty at all. Just fill up with quite a good amount of fiber fill in this manner to fill up the spaces. Now we will do the row 77. So this is a decreasing round. We will be doing decreasing stitches until the opening closes. So let's start doing the decreasing in the pair of stitches in this manner. In row 77 we will be doing the decreases for total 6 times. 2, 3, 4, then 5, and 6. So total 6 decreases are done. We still have an opening. At the end we will be doing a last decrease to close the opening. It's up to you whether you want to do a decrease or just slip stitch. I just did a last decrease in this round to close the opening, and finally do a slip stitch in any stitch, any opposite stitch. Just insert your hook in the stitch, draw the yarn and do a slip stitch followed by chain 1. To secure the slip stitch, cut the yarn, and with this our head is completed. So we completed the legs, body and the head. Just shape the head with your hand in this manner. Just roll it up to give it proper shape. And now we will begin the arms. The arm pattern is also very easy. And this is the written pattern. Take a screenshot. So as you can see, I have already done few hair. I will be showing you how to do the hair after the arm pattern. So one of the arms is already done. We will be doing the other one now. So as usual, begin with a magic circle. In the magic circle we will be doing a total of 6 single crochet stitches. We will close the magic circle by pulling the tail, and now we will begin the next round. In the first stitch we will be doing 1 single crochet stitch, and then we will mark this with a stitch marker. In the next stitch we will be doing an increase, that is 2 single crochet stitches in that same stitch. Insert your hook in the next stitch and just do 2 single crochets there, and repeat the pattern, that is 1 single crochet followed by an increase in the next stitch. In this round we will be having a total of 9 single crochet stitches. We completed this round. Now we will begin the next round with start that with a single crochet stitch, mark that with a stitch marker, and in the next stitch we will be doing one single crochet and also one single crochet in each of the stitches of the last round. We will repeat the pattern till row 26. In between, if you want to change the colors, if you want to do a color change, then you can do it in the same manner I showed you in my last video, and I will show you this again. Now it's up to you in which round you want to do a color change. It's completely based on your wish. So let me show you how I did the color change. Insert your hook in the last stitch and draw the yarn. So we have got 2 loops in the hook of that skin colored yarn, and now we will do a color change. So take a desired colored yarn of your choice and make a slip knot with it and insert the hook in the slip knot. Just tighten the slip knot and pull it through the 2 loops already present in the hook in this manner, and we did a color change, and also a single crochet is also completed. So we will now begin the next round with the new colored yarn. Start doing one single crochet stitches and do one single crochet in each of the stitches of the last round. And repeat it till the end. Now the color change is completely optional. I just wanted to do the sleeves of the top of the doll, so I did the color change accordingly, but it's not necessary. If you want, you can continue the arm with the skin colored yarn. Make sure there are total 26 such rows. Okay, fill up the arm with fiber fill. Just fill up half portion of the arm with fiber fill. We just want to make it thin. So fill up the arm till it's half the length, okay, and keep the other half empty. We will now complete the arm pattern by doing slip stitch in the first stitch of the last round. Press the arm and close the opening by doing slip stitches in the opposite stitches in this manner. In this way, we are closing the opening of the arm by doing slip stitches in the opposite stitches. At the end, do the last slip stitch followed by a chain 1 and cut the yarn, keeping a long tail. First stitching it to the body. Pull the loop and tighten it, and the arm is also ready. We will now simply stitch it to the body. Now just place both the arms on either side of the body, just below the neck portion. Take the yarn needle and stitch the arms in this manner. Make the stitching quite neat and tight enough so that the arms don't come out. Just stitch the arms to the body in this manner. Do the stitching several times until you are satisfied that the arms are tightly attached to the body, and at the end tie a knot and cut the yarn. Hide the extra portion of the yarn in this manner inside the body. And now I will show you how to make the hair. At first we will make a slip knot and insert the hook in it with the desired color of the hair. We will insert our hook in any hole and take it out through the other hole in this manner. We will just take the yarn and draw the yarn through these 2 holes and do a slip stitch. and then just do a total of 30 chains or as many number of chains as you want. After your 30 chains are done, just cut the yarn and pull the loop, and with this one hair is completed. Just cover up the scalp with as many number of hair you want. Hide the extra portion of the yarn inside the head. Just take out the hook through the same hole where you did the slip stitch and draw the yarn, extra loose end of the yarn into the head in this manner. And in this way I showed you how to do the hair. Just do as many number of hair in order to complete the scalp, and we will soon be ready with our beautiful doll. This will be the end result of the doll with this cute little bag and the bow. So in the first part I showed you how to make the legs, body and the neck. Today I showed you how to make the head and the arms and the hair. In my next and the last part I will show you how to make the dress, bag, bow and embroider the eyes, eyebrows and the lips and complete my pattern. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow, especially with the written pattern in the video itself. In order to get the complete free written pattern, follow my Instagram. I will soon upload it in my Instagram post. And thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.